What does this YouTube Shorts channel with 9.4 million views, this TikTok with 200,000 followers, and this Instagram account with 837,000 followers have in common? One of them was hard to make, one of them was medium difficulty to make, and one of them was very easy to make that could turn your TikToks and Shorts into a full business. So first I want to show you some example channels and the results that they're getting. The first one is called Wowzen. That is an Instagram account that literally 4 months ago they got 18,000 followers, then 32,000 followers, 136,000 followers in 1 month, and peaking at 371,000 followers in just 1 month. As you can see on their Instagram, their reels are motivational, inspirational quotes and stories that all could be done with AI. The second example is a TikTok account that got 1 million likes the last 30 days, and they literally started a couple of months ago and getting an insane growth rate on TikTok alone, and they're actually making money through a store that I'll show you later. The channel is about stoic quotes that has these cool edits. I'll show you how to use AI tools to make this very simply. And the last example is a YouTube Shorts channel that is getting 9 million views the last 30 days. And with this making anywhere from 8 to 110,000, you don't make that much money on Shorts. But if they're monetizing the right way, it could be anywhere from $20,000 to $50,000 a month. So maybe this shows you exactly what's possible. So let's actually start by creating the easiest one, which I think is this, which makes these deep facts and relationship facts and psychology facts and getting thousands of views. So I'm gonna try to make one of each of these shorts to see if we can use all AI tools. And actually, can we make like 100 a day with AI tools? Because that would actually turn into a legit business. So let's start with number 1, which is the deep facts, daily relationship facts. As you can see, the video itself looks kind of like this. So there you go. Pretty easy compared to the other ones. I'll make all of them though. So let's go to step number 1. I'm gonna go to ChatGPT and I'm gonna ask it, write 10 relationship facts that can be used as TikToks. So they actually wrote some cool ones like opposites don't always attract. Studies show that people are more likely to be attracted to those who share similar backgrounds, values, and interests. So this fits perfectly. Let's copy that one and go to step number 2. Now I'm gonna go to ChatGPT Plus and I'm gonna click on the plugins. Scroll to the bottom to the plugin store, search for CapCut Online Video Editor and click on install. I'm gonna prompt it, make this into a video and copy and paste the script. Now I'm gonna click on this link here. And if you don't have an account, all you have to do is sign up for free to get all of these AI tools included on CapCut Online. Now we're on step number 3. We're going to click on this button here to change the aspect ratio to TikTok Reels. And you can see so far the video is kind of lame, so we need to spice it up a little bit. So now I'm gonna select some stock videos and it seems like this one could be a good fit. What you should do first is click on the filters and then add commercial, because these are open to commercial use so you don't get any copyright infringement in your video. Click on done and we can use any of this footage in our video completely free. You will also see this in the copyright tab in the top right, one piece of material for free commercial use for a limited time. Let's drag that over here, make it full screened. Then we're gonna make the text a lot bigger. Let's change the font to something like that would be cool. And we're also gonna drag a basic heading in here. Select this preset right here, maybe change the font again. And you can see there's like a transition that it's wiping up and down. I want that to be way faster. So we can click on animation and the in-out duration. Let's put it at 0.2. And now we're gonna find the music by clicking on audio. Here they have a bunch of the recommended ones. And we need one that has like a pause and then a drop to reveal the second part of the text. There's no voiceover here, which makes it super fast. So I'm gonna find one. Let's just search for love. So just gonna drag that file into the timeline, and we don't need the other audio, so I'm just gonna delete that. We need to find where the beat drops. Let's dropping right there. Click split, delete, and then put it all the way to the beginning. Okay, we're gonna make the first scene happen for about 3 seconds. Then we're gonna make the second part of the text pop up. I don't want the animation on this one, so I'm just gonna click on none. And I'm gonna make it a total of 6 seconds. So now it looks like this. This one is the easiest one to make because it doesn't have voiceover. There's only one clip. However, it's really hard to get success with this, I believe, just because it's so easy. You could easily make 100 of these a day, post them on everywhere. So I'm gonna show you another one that is a little bit harder to do, but I believe can have way more potential to make a business. So method number 2 is Wowsin, and I want to show you an example here just to see what we're gonna make.
If you start today, in 2 weeks you'll feel stronger. In 1 month you'll notice changes. In 2 months your family and friends will notice. In 3 to 4 months, everyone will notice. And in 5 to 6 months, everyone will ask, how?
Cool. Motivational story. This one, 22,000 likes 4 days ago. Let's see if we can make one. Step number 1, go to ChatGPT and write a motivational and inspirational story for people working out that could be used as a TikTok. Let's see what comes up. It actually wrote it way too long, so I need to just cut out. We made it shorter, but it wasn't that punchy, so I said just make sure it ends with a punch, and then it's not about when you start, but the fire you ignite when you do, which is exactly what we want. So I'm just gonna copy this. Step number 2, again, the CapCut Online video editor. Paste it in here, open the CapCut link. Now, before we start editing this, let's go to step number 3. Go to ElevenLabs.io. Then we're gonna go to the voice library, and this is where we can find some like authoritative, deep voices. Let's do the British male, that's kind of cool. And then I've copy pasted the script right in here. So all we have to do is click on generate. You can actually do this for 10,000 characters for free.
In a town where movement was forgotten, elderly Leo began jogging at dawn, each stride defying age, and every sweat drop symbolizing passion. As on
That's cool. Now we just click on download. Now I'm gonna turn it into a video, but before that, give this video a like. Also, comment down below AI shorts so I can dive deeper into this if you guys love it. So the next step is just drag the audio file in and put it into the timeline. Again, let's change the aspect ratio to the Instagram, TikTok. And again, the media here is just still images. So we're gonna change up all the images to more motivational style. So I'm just gonna click on stock videos and I'm gonna search through a bunch of them and just apply them to the timeline. So now we got the entire clips and the text and everything. We just need awesome music and we need some cool transitions. So I'm just gonna find that in the audio. I have an epic inspiration that I'm gonna drag in here as well that might fit.
in a town where movement was forgotten, elderly Leo began jogging at dawn.
Okay, the music fit really well. I'm gonna show you in a minute. I'm just gonna do the transitions as well. And how we do that is just click on the video clip, or actually both of them. Click on a video clip, then go to animation, and then in the combo section, you can find some crazy ones. So I'm gonna do that on each and every one of them. We're also gonna do the same with the text. So I'm gonna use the same one on each one of them. I'm gonna use a lot of different ones on the video, but all right, here we got the final result. Let's check it out.
In a town where movement was forgotten, elderly Leo began jogging at dawn, each stride defying age, every sweat drop symbolizing passion. As onlookers were inspired to join, they realized it's not about when you start, but the fire you ignite when you do.
Pretty impressed by the results. We could obviously make it black and white and find some cooler soundtracks that will take it the little extra step, but I'm pretty pleased with the result. I think this one was medium. It was definitely a lot more steps, a lot more clips, and it has voiceover. So it means harder to make, but that usually means easier for success as well. Now I want to show you the last method that is similar, same difficulty about, but it's using a little bit of a different strategy. So method number 3, we're gonna follow this stoic mentor right here that has a lot of quotes and things that is a little bit different. I'm gonna show you all the steps right now. These guys got success in just a couple of months, and they actually have a Shopify store that I'm gonna show you later in the video. Step number 1, go to ChatGPT once again, list 10 stoic quotes. We have an awesome Marcus Aurelius quote, "You have power over your mind." not outside events. Realize this and you'll find strength. Step number 2, head to ElevenLabs. Let's go to the voice library again and let's find like a stoic, non-British guy now. Add to voice lab, paste the text in here.
You have power over your mind, not outside events.
Let's download it and go to the next step. Let's go to CapCut Online video editor and click on the magic tools. Then we're gonna use the image to image and text to image. So let's just click on that. Now let's go to Google and search for ancient Greek man statue stoic to get like a reference image that we can use. I think this one looks pretty cool, so we're gonna download that. Click on this little image button in CapCut Online from this device. Now it's loading in and we're gonna enter a word prompt like a statue of an ancient Greek man. I'm gonna select 4 images in the style of computer game and I'm gonna give the word prompt strength a little bit down so it's more like the reference image. Then we're gonna click on generate. Damn, these actually look super sick. I'm just gonna click on download. We can even generate similar. Let's see what happens then. Okay, some cool variations. I actually like this bottom right even better, so I'm gonna download that one. Now, let's just do it with a bunch more images that looks kind of like this. The next step, go to ChatGPT, apply the CapCut Online plugin, prompt it to make a video, open in the online editor. Now let's drag all the awesome photos right into the project. Just like before, I'm just gonna do the basics, pull the clips in, but now we're actually not gonna sync to the text and the voice. We're actually gonna sync to the music. So let's find an awesome audio. I heard they were using like this funk. So I'm gonna go to YouTube to search funk music royalty free, because they have no copyright, so we can use them on all platforms. So let's check out this playlist. So that's gonna be perfect. All you need to do to download from YouTube is just write PP into the URL, click on enter. We're gonna select audio and just download the audio. Drag it into CapCut Online video editor. I'm gonna find the drop of the song. Right there. And we want that to hit like at a lesson. Then let's time lapse. For this one in particular, we're gonna use the train left and right combo to go back and forth with the music. And there we have it. I'm just gonna export it as 1080p. And before I show you this final result, I wanna tell you I did this within 2 hours. I never made any of these before, so you can actually make them a lot faster. The first one was the easiest one. The second one was definitely the hardest one, and this one is a little bit easier. So if you want to do this, pick the right one for you. Pump out that content if you actually want it. So here's the final one.
You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength.
I just became Sigma, Alpha, and Gamma at the same time. Also, I promised you to show you how to monetize, and they actually have a Shopify store. So if I click this link, you can actually see that they're selling merch right here. Even an ebook, The Stoic Way, the hardcover bound notebook with very cool design that's probably making him a lot of money. If you want more videos like this, comment down below AI shorts. Also, check out CapCut Online in the description down below to make videos like this. That's it for now. Peace.